Trench coat, blazers, and jackets. How we wish we can pull these off without sweating all day. Pero because we live in a tropical country, sometimes it's uncomfortable and inconvenient to wear garments over other garments. So most of the time, we settle for simple outfits. Pero ngayon na burr months na at lumalamig na ng pakonti-konti ang panahon, may chance na tayo to dress in layers. Although hindi pa rin advisable ang makakapal na jackets, there are tips and tricks to play with fashionable layers. Think lightweight. The key to pulling off layers in warm weather is the material of your clothing. As a general rule, ang best material para sa mga damit that are worn in warm places are natural, such as cotton or linen. So how can you tell if your clothes are made from these materials? Easy! Such materials are breathable, which will allow for heat and moist air to escape. Consider the colors. Isa rin sa mga considerations when dressing up in layers, colors. Have you ever noticed na kapag nagpapatuyo tayo ng damit, mas mabilis natutuyo yung mga darker colors kesa sa lighter colors like white? It's because dark colors tend to absorb more heat than the lighter ones, which reflect light. Best to choose pieces that are lighter in color like pink, beige, yellow, white, or baby blue. Go with loose pieces. Dahil mainit sa paligid natin, ayaw natin na mag-stick masyado ang damit natin sa atin. So when layering, choose loose pieces like sheer kimono jackets. Because they are lightweight, parang hindi mo mafe-feel na suot mo ito. But they make any outfit look Coachella ready. Pwede mo ring subukan ang mga shorter alls. Hindi sila masyadong tight at hindi rin naman sila masyadong loose. And because they are essentially shorts, hindi sila maalinsangan sa pakiramdam. Layering fashion pieces doesn't require heavy jackets or thick fabrics. Kailangan mo lang maging creative to mix and match lightweight pieces that will make you look good and feel good even in this warm weather. I am Nicolette Henson-Hizon. Join us daily here and on our official Facebook account, CLTV36, and YouTube account, CLTV36 Official, as we give you tips to live every day beyond style.